Hi, my name's Scott Stutler. I'm the National Sales Manager for PRW Industries. Appreciate you watching today. I wanted to tell you a little bit about some of the products that PRW has to offer. PRW as an organization is relatively new to the market. We've been around for about 10 years. We're an entrepreneurial company. We're owned by a guy who's a drag racer that came up with some better ideas and formed a company around it. One of our primary product categories are rocker arms. And we have a very nice offering of good, better, and best rocker arms. They start at a very affordable entry-level price point, and that's our Sportsman Roller Tip rocker. This is a cast rocker arm. It uses a pivot ball, very similar to an OE stamped, but it's a lot stronger than a stamped rocker arm. This guy will take about 300 PSI spring pressure. It's 4340 chromoly. When you're going up from there, you'd move into our Pro Series aluminum rocker arms. These are the blue billet aluminum ones. They're made out of 6061 T6. These are good to about 375 PSI of open spring pressure. They're a full roller, reduce a lot of friction, handle a lot of spring pressure. When you go up to a max effort, now you're talking about the best category. This is our Platinum Series. These are a 15.5 stainless steel. It's got a polished top side. These will handle 750 pounds of spring pressure. So these are at the top of the range when it comes to a stud mount rocker arm. They have a lifetime warranty against breakage on the bodies as well. These use a precision ground needle bearing. There again, this is the top rung. Moving along, we get into our shaft mount rocker arm systems. This particular one has a retrofit system for small block Chevys with 23-degree heads. These will take about 450 PSI spring pressure. They made out of 2024 billet aluminum. You can run these things up to 9,000 RPM all day long. We have a lot of guys running these in the circle track world. Moving from rocker arms into some of our other product categories are our water pumps. We make a very high quality water pump. This is a PRW specific casting. Some of the benefits of our water pumps, we use a pretty thick backing plate. You can probably see right there. That thick backing plate combined with the CNC machine impeller gives us the ability to run very tight tolerances. Those tight tolerances reduce cavitation and give this pump higher RPM capability than a lot of the competitors that are out there. Also, it has a sealed and shielded bearing, billet hub. This is an 8,000 RPM compatible pump. This particular model is our black ceramic coat. It's designed for the race market. It's got NPT taps in it that are threaded in here for custom plumbing applications. We have a full line of water pumps, and one of our newest is for the LS1. This is our LS1 truck pump. There again, features many of the same feature and benefits as our standard small block Chevy pump, but it's available for the LS1 engines. Very popular platform. I'm sure if you're looking around a junkyard for a 5.3 liter to put it in a project, this would be a great fit for you. PRW is one of the largest manufacturers of SFI approved flex plates in the industry. We have over 80 different applications of flex plates between our gold and our platinum series. What I'm holding here is our gold series. This is a 153.2 small block Chevy. You can see that it's a flat style plate. This is designed for small diameter torque converters that are a high stall. If you're running a 12-inch style converter, an OEM style converter, you'd want to run our gold series. The platinum series is for you guys running up to a 4,000 or 5,000 RPM stall. These are 29.1 SFI approved. They're a stamped chromoly steel, very high quality product. There again, you'll find the date and all the flex plate markings, so they're easily to identify as a PRW product. One of the other categories that we're into is valve covers. These valve covers are unique in that you've got a 5/16 billet rail. It's a fully fabricated valve cover. It's 2 millimeters thick. Additionally, on the LS applications, we've pre-machined this for clearance for racing rocker arms. So you don't have to do any machine work to bolt these down to your cylinder heads, and they'll clear your aftermarket rocker arms. They're available with and without the coil mounts. And we have a full line of valve covers available for small Chevys, big Chevys, small Fords, big Fords, Pontiacs, Oldsmobiles. We even have them for you Mopar guys. Some of the other interesting pieces of the PRW product line, these are our oil cap kits. These are a modular design. They give you the ability to drill into your new fabricated valve covers and put in a screw-in style oil fill cap without having to do any welding. These through bolt through. They have an O-ring seal. You put this on the inside of your valve cover. You jam them together. You set the set screw with some Loctite. Now you've got a screw-in oil fill cap without having to weld on your brand new valve covers. Really innovative product idea from PRW. If you have any other additional questions, feel free to hit us up at prw-usa.com or see your local retailer.